Siteground review. So what is going on, guys? I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. In today's video, we'll be doing a Siteground review, pretty much going through everything you need to know really about the web hosting provider Siteground. Really giving you a honest review and pretty much helping you make an informed decision to see if Siteground is going to be right for you. So with that being said, let's get started with today's Siteground review video, and yeah, let's get started. Alright, so let me just move my face out of the way so we can actually see my screen. And yeah, guys, as you can see right here, Siteground themselves offer a variety of different services based on your own personal needs and preferences. So obviously right here, you can get reliable web hosting and manage WordPress hosting as well. So obviously, this is going to be fast and secure hosting for yourselves, whether you have a small website or quite frankly want to build an authority site to rank on top of the search for Google. Since site speed is actually a ranking factor for the search engines nowadays, it's actually beneficial to go with Siteground or Bluehost or something like that, for an example, because they offer high speeds, for an example, right? So obviously, as you can see, trusted by 2 million domain owners right here. So that tells me right there that there must be minimal uptime issues. And if we go over here to Siteground's uptime, handcrafted solutions for 99.9% uptime, which makes sense why there's a lot of people going with Siteground, which is cool. Now that's great and all that, but if we go to WordPress.org, WordPress.org actually recommends a bunch of different web hosting companies. In fact, there's only 3 recommendations that they actually make. So Bluehost, DreamHost, and Siteground right here. So Bluehost is another option that I recommend apart from Siteground themselves. So I'll leave a link down below to a Bluehost review video if you want to learn more about Bluehost. Apart from Bluehost, Siteground is an exceptional WordPress web hosting solution that I'll strongly recommend, which is why I'm even making this review video for you today, so you can gather all the information you need to make an informed decision to see if Siteground is going to be right for you. So as you can see right here, Siteground has tools that make managing WordPress sites easy, one-click installation, manage updates, all that type of stuff right here. They have a very, very fast support team with advanced WordPress expertise available 24/7. Okay. So if we go back to the Siteground website right here, again, you can choose a plan right here. So we can choose manage WordPress hosting or, web hosting in general. So as you can see, manage WordPress hosting and, their normal web hosting services right here cost exactly the same. So as you can see on screen right here, there's 3 different pricing plans. So you can either go with the startup plan right here, and just to let you guys know real quickly, based in Australia, I'm not sure if this pricing is going to be the same in the United States or quite frankly, anywhere else throughout the world. So just click the top link down below in the video description to make sure that this pricing is the same for you, or if it's different, it's because it's going to be adjusted to your currency. I know some websites are like that, so. But yeah, as you can see, the pricing right here is $4.95 per month, and obviously the regular pricing is a lot more expensive, so it's nice that we're getting that discount. So again, just click the top link down below for that discount as well. But obviously you can see what you actually get with each plan. So you get 1 website, 10 gigs of web space, and you can basically have 10,000 monthly visits to your website every month, and obviously the essential WordPress features as well. Grow Big plan, you basically get more gigs, more monthly visits. You can have unlimited websites connected to your web hosting instead of just one single website. And with the Go Gig plan right here, this is mainly for authority websites, so 100,000 visitors per month, 30 gigs of web space, and you get essential WordPress features. You get premium WordPress features as well. I forgot to mention that with the Grow Big plan. Same with the Go Gig plan, and obviously you get geeky WordPress features as well with this plan right here. So basically, depending on where you are throughout your journey, you might want to choose a startup plan if you're creating your first website, or maybe a hobby website or a starter website. If you intend on building multiple different websites, you might want to go with this plan. That's up to you. You can probably just start off with this plan right here, and that will be sufficient. But yeah, these are the options right here for the pricing. So now that we've covered the pricing aspect, I want to show you the inside view of the Siteground dashboard, so you know what to actually expect if you do decide to actually go with Siteground for your web hosting provider. So I want to go ahead and show you that real quick right now. Alright, so I just wanted to quickly show you what to expect inside of Siteground's dashboard once you actually get the Siteground web hosting for your own website and for yourself and for your business, obviously. So you can see there's different ways and different navigations at the top right here. So obviously we're on the home page right here. If you go to my accounts, this is where you're going to be able to see all your domains and all your websites connected to your hosting. And this is where you're going to be getting access to cPanel. So this is where you can manage your cPanel and manage all your domains. And obviously support is pretty self-explanatory. You can just ask for support, ask for help, billing, referrals, ad services, perks, all that type of stuff. So as you can see, it's all right here. And this is going to be the main dashboard page right here. And yeah, guys, that's the Siteground dashboard. So that's the Siteground dashboard. So that's pretty much, the inside view of what to expect and how you can manage all your, cPanel stuff. Again, you just go to accounts and you can manage your cPanel stuff, and it's very, very simple from there. And you can see the, a full list of your domains and all your domains that are associated with your web hosting inside of Siteground, right? So I want to actually choose a plan, just a random plan right here, just so you know what to expect, so you don't have to go through this process all by yourself, wondering like if there's going to be any upsells, any of that type of crap. So let me just go over here, click on get plan for the startup plan right here, which is going to be great for anyone who's, starting out. Now, a bit of a con with Siteground right here is the fact that you don't actually get a free domain with Siteground, and with Bluehost, for example, you do get a free domain. So you can watch my review video on Bluehost after this if you want, but just to keep this video on topic, Siteground don't offer a free domain, which kind of sucks, right? And it's a little bit pricey. So what I would recommend if you want to buy domains or register a domain is go to Namecheap. Okay, so on namecheap.com right here, just click the top link down below. I'm just putting like a random domain just to make this video really quick for you, so I can show you this example. The reason why I recommend Namecheap to buy a domain from or to register your domain name is simply because they're pretty cheap, and this is in Australian dollars, by the way, just to keep that in mind. So if we go to view the cart, but the main reason why is the fact that they actually offer free WizGuard. Obviously with Siteground not offering a free domain, that's a con in itself, and it's a bit pricey and it's a bit more expensive. So if we compare the pricing right here with their domain registrations, it's $18 a year in Australian dollars. This pricing is going to be different for you if you're in the United States or, any other country throughout the world apart from Australia. Same with Namecheap right here. This is in Australian dollars, so just keep that in mind. But as you can see right here on screen, it's not only cheaper, but you get free WizGuard right here, $0 free forever. So WizGuard basically is privacy protection service that hides your personal information from the public Wiz database. So I just want to quickly mention that if you want to register a domain name, so obviously you just choose a domain name. You can register a domain name right here, or just click on already have a domain name. Let's just put in this domain and just click on proceed. Alright, so we've covered a lot in today's Siteground review video, so now I want to cover the pros and cons of the service, because Siteground is amazing, alright? I want to be honest with you, it's really amazing, but at the same time, it's not perfect, and some things do annoy me about, the service. So let's go through the pros first. So obviously they have insane uptime right here, and they have really fast, speeds. So first of all, handcrafted solutions for 99.9% uptime. And they're very reliable, obviously, because they're, basically trusted by over 2 million domains. So a lot of people use them, and they have really high uptime. At the same time, they have really fast speed. They have multiple server locations, so you can actually choose like where you want your server to be hosted, which is really cool. A big con is their limited, amount of visitors you can have per month to your website, which is a bit annoying. So there's limited, monthly visits you can get with each individual plan, and at the same time, you get limited storage as well with each plan. So again, they're really high quality, but there are limitations, unfortunately, which makes it a little bit annoying. Nevertheless, Siteground is still amazing. So. But yeah, to conclude today's video, do I recommend Siteground, for your web hosting solution? It depends really. If you want to get a free domain, then maybe Bluehost might be more ideal for you. And again, I don't want my reviews being overly biased as much as I like Siteground. You might want to, compare Bluehost with like Siteground as well to see which one's going to be right for you personally. But in general, guys, I reckon Siteground is an amazing web hosting platform. They're quite established and reliable. They have really high uptime. WordPress org themselves recommend Siteground along with Bluehost. So in conclusion, yeah, I would have no reason not to recommend Siteground. They're quite an amazing web hosting solution. So I'll leave a link down below in the video description where you can learn more about Siteground, and you can learn more about their prices and even get a bit of a discount as well, just by clicking the top link down below in the video description. If you want to check out my other review videos regarding web hosting, including my Bluehost review video, I'll leave a link down below in the video description for that as well. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's Siteground review video. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this Siteground review video helps you make an informed decision on your web hosting provider in the nearby future. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.